rally in Lafayette last year is now heading to prison. 27-year-old Terrence Jones of Carencro was sentenced in federal court on Friday to more than 6 years in prison and 2 years probation. He was charged with possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. This is video of Jones when he was arrested. His gun accidentally discharged while attending the NFAC rally at Parc Sans-Souci in downtown Lafayette in October 2020. No one was injured. The NFAC, a black militia group based in Atlanta, held a peaceful rally in the park following the police shooting death of Trayford Pellerin.